too, but did you see that train come through? That was the TRAN train. And when it came through, you know what took with it? Every walk of life, every occupation, every ethnic group, community members, grassroots organizations and community members from across the district came together. This was not the candidate who was the divider of any party. This is the true uniter. The person that came in and looked around, brought us all together, and the whole district together. This all started in the poll.
Great job. Congratulations.
From a family that had a country, that came from a country that had a dream. A dream to come here and live that dream. And work hard. Incredible work ethic. Took our education system for what it was and made the absolute best of it. It came to this country and just did remarkable things. And so, in a country that needs so much unification, and there seems to be so much division, I saw people coming into City Hall today in all the different wards, every age group, every single age group, and they all identify with Team TRAN and Team TRAN. That's an amazing thing. And I know Dean wants to be the person that thanks you, but let me tell you, what an organization he put together. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so proud and honored for you to introduce to you, once again, Senator TRAN.
Wow. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone here. Where's the blue wave? All I see is red.
Red, only red, only red.
You're a Red Raider, that's why. So the victory tonight, even though it's sweet, I can tell you one thing. It is sweeter than the victory we had in December. Even though I made a comment about the blue and red wave, it is really not about blue or red. It is about serving the people.
Yes.
We serve the people, and they have spoken tonight. I want to begin by saying thank you to some very special people in my life. Starting with my wife, Carrie, who is the cornerstone of my political career and the foundation of my family. For feeding. Yeah, Carrie! Filipino, come on. From feeding our toddler in the car while I was door knocking to get on the city council, to making history tonight, I could not have done any of this without my wife. My kids, I cannot be any prouder to be your father, and thank you very much for putting up with a politician as a dad. To my sisters and brothers, thank you for being there for me when I was growing up. And I want to thank my mother who is here with us tonight. It's all because of her. It's all because of my mother and my father, who are the reason why I'm here standing before you tonight as your state senator again. And unfortunately, my dad passed away a few years ago. And he was the foundation of our family. And this is a victory for my dad. Dad, if you're looking and hearing us, this is for you. Thank you, Dad.
All right.
I would also like to thank the 3 mayors in my district. Mayor Dina Talley, Mayor Mazzarella, and Mayor Hart for their friendship. I'm very lucky to represent a district that has 3 of the best mayors in the Commonwealth. And my close friend, who is here tonight, Mayor Mazzarella, thank you. I'd also like to say thank you very much to Council Presidents, Council President from Gardner, Councilor Graves, and Council President from Leominster, Councilor Marshall, for their friendship. I also would like to say thank you very much to former State Senator Bob Antonioni for his friendship and for his kind words throughout the campaign. Those words meant a great deal to me, so thank you to those folks. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the voters and my wonderful volunteers. Nate, Mindy, Austin, Kyle, John, Jonathan, Christy, Kathy, Gwen, Donna, Mary, Deb, Lance, Frank, Tony, Wendy, and so many others. I'm incredibly grateful to all of you. I want to personally say thank you to all of them. So 1 month ago, I received a message in my inbox. While I'm there door knocking, I checked my inbox, and the message said, quote, "Only bad people will vote for you," unquote. So I have a message for that person who inboxed me. The bad people have spoken tonight.
You'll come back. You'll come back.
We have now been elected twice in less than a year. That is quite an accomplishment. And I want to thank again my volunteers. And of course, there were no shortage of lies, mudslinging, and smears. While we campaigned on our accomplishments, they campaigned against our accomplishments. Of all the things I've done, and the incredible support that I have given to our public schools, I'm against schools. All the projects I brought home to the towns and cities in my district, totaling $29.6 million in hard work that my staff and I did throughout the whole entire year. Secure money for infrastructure, transportation, and I didn't do any of that in this mailing.
Oh.
And of course, another negative mailer. And another one. I've always said throughout my whole entire campaign that honesty and facts will always prevail over lies and talking points. So, when they go low, you know what my volunteers and I did? What we did was that we just ignored them. We just ignored them. every other campaigns and all the young generations like upcoming who want to get involved in politics, you stay positive, you campaign in your accomplishments, and you listen and work for the people, and the outcome will be what you want it to be. And leave the negative campaigning to the other people. So the towns and cities in the Western Middlesex district are moving forward. Great things are happening. The mayors are working hard and doing a great job in moving their cities forward. The towns now have a voice. I am that voice. And I can assure you, every town and every city in my district will not be ignored any longer. We delivered great accomplishments to the communities in the district. For the local officials who chose partisan politics and personal ambition over their obligations to the people, you know who you are. I have a message for you. I do not forget. Serving the people should be the #1 priority. And those people have failed. So if you are not with us, you are against us. For the residents who I represent and my supporters, I want you to know that I am your friend. Together with our friends in the governor and lieutenant governor, we will change this district for the better. We will work to grow the economy. We will improve our education system. We will work on our infrastructure. And we will fight the opioid epidemic because I listen to you. This victory is not my victory. This victory is our victory. It took all of us to win, and it will take all of us working together to achieve success. You have my commitment to be honest, to work for you, to be transparent, and most importantly, to serve you. Thank you very much. God bless America and God bless everybody.